e piem mag Pub G Afrika Championships tok nyiso kitugo maber e piem mane obagi Charter Hall, kaunti ma Nairobi. Tim achiel ma bende wuok pacho ka Rescue Esports noloyo e tielo mag Erangel Rounds ranyisi makende ne piem mag tuke mag mbui gerore e pacho ka. Jakom riwruok matayo piem mag mbui kata Esports Roni Luigi nopuoyo okang' ma Kenya osegoyo e piem ma kamagi ka timbe maromo 13 mawuok e pinje mag Afrika kaachiel gi mago mawuok e pinje mag China gi Ingereza noyuoro e tukegi.
We have demonstrated to Africa, we have demonstrated to the world that indeed Kenya is ready for international esports events. Nairobi is ready for international esports events. So our teams are doing an amazing job, from transport to the hotels. Everyone is celebrating, everyone is saying Kenya is a wonderful place. We have many nationalities represented in this competition. Of course, we have players from Tanzania, we have a player from Uganda, we have players from Algeria, Nigeria, South Africa, Mali, Mauritius, and our friends who we must beat called Madagascar.
So PUBG is a mobile game, and in Phoenix we come in providing the devices to the gamers because they have the specs and good performance to support the PUBG mobile. So today is the final game for the African teams. We have a total of 16 teams inside here battling. So the top teams here are going to represent Africa to the next level, which is international PUBG tournament.
I started esports 7 years ago, and the future looks very bright for us as African players, because now literally Tencent brought PMGC to our doorsteps. Now it's just us to give it our 100, and inshallah.